Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2015 Subaru Forester, stock number 7387. It's ran from 9th 2013 to 7th 2018. There's an FB25 2.5 with a 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. So it's the FB25 2.5 with a 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door name dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door one dent, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, front courtesy light sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.